Hey, Border Brothers here. Just a reminder that our New Year's resolution here in 2019 was that we do a free day of labor once a month, every month. And this is our first video, our first post. This is going to be 2 free days of labor, so we're really excited to get on track with this and have this New Year resolution start to come to fruition.
Yeah, so in the next couple of days we're going to be working on putting a new countertop in for a lady in Red Deer, Alberta. Her existing one has gotten water damage, it's falling apart, there's holes in it, it's bubbling. Maybe Connor will cut in some video of that right now if we can figure out how to get fancy. So we're putting in a new countertop, and we're actually going to do it out of this beautiful plywood behind us. So it's on a budget, of course. And yeah, we're going to see how this turns out. We've done other tabletop-like surfaces in plywood before, but not a kitchen counter, so this will be really interesting.
Okay, here we are, just finishing up our 2 days of service this one became because we knew we were replacing the full countertop, so making this custom and getting it ready, we knew that would take a little bit more than 1 day, but that's okay, we're catching up on our months for our New Year's resolution. But basically the countertop's in, we were aiming to match with this beautiful wooden carving, so I think we did a pretty good job there, and as you can see there's no holes or anything like there was at the beginning, so really satisfied with how that's turned out. It's looking really good, and we reused the same old sink just to keep costs down and everything like that. But other than that, this is a nice countertop, and it's matching, you can't really see, but it matches all the trim and the fireplace and a couple desks in the other room, so it's worked out really nicely for us and for the homeowner, and I think we're all pretty happy how it's turned out. Anyway, thanks for watching.
So we're all wrapped up and packing up our gear from our first volunteer day of labor for 2019, and it took about 2 days, so we're going to count for February and January. And they were so kind to actually pay us more than the actual material cost of the job is. So what we've been planning on doing is our labor is totally free, and then the person just pays for the materials. Noelle decided to pay us a little bit more, so we're gonna just take that money and pass it on to the next person that we do work for. So they'll have about $150 credit to their supply cost for the next job. So thanks so much, Noelle, and way to pass it on.